Hi all! Today let's talk about KSP's forged aluminum control arms. We are all in about making control arms that get it done for our buyers. We've listened hard to feedback and worked this control arm through lots of updates over time, from factory parts to the aftermarket parts. Right now, it's the one to grab if you are in a lift between 2 to 4 inches. So if your stock arm can't hack this kinda lift without causing trouble, this arm's a good swap in. It will keep your ride nice and comfy. The standout feature of this control arm is one-piece forged structure. KSP use high-quality aluminum material, and through a series of forging processes, it transformed into the control arm you can see here now. To give it some style and beauty, KSP designed the precise mold that proudly show off the brand logo. After following the precise molding from these molds, a T6 heat treatment is applied. Precision CNC machining is crucial to ensure the right dimension. This is how we get the aluminum forged control arm we have today. Some folks might wonder if KSP's aluminum control arms can hold against the common welded steel control arm. Don't worry, we've got this covered. We did a little dissecting to show that KSP's aluminum forged control arm is solid and consistent in dimension, just like these tubular steel control arms. Even though aluminum control arms use more material than steel ones, they are lighter. So no extra weight on your vehicle, and it's even better for your fuel mileage. Upgrading the material also means saying goodbye to rust. In snowy areas, steel control arms tend to rust when snow melts. Aluminum is a better choice for longer lifespan. Plus, KSP's aluminum forged control arms don't have those weak points from welding, reducing the chance of breaking. Each arm going through magnetic particle inspection during production to make sure it's strong and perfect. Compared to stock aluminum control arms, the KSP's aluminum forged control arms not only have a unique look, but also come with some upgrades. They are thicker and beefier than OE control arms or even rough countries. This extra strength is perfect for tackling through off-road terrains. Many people worry about ball joint getting damaged easily, wearing out, and the hassle of replacement. Not with KSP products. The custom-designed ball joint take care of that. KSP's metal-to-metal ball joint has been updated basis of tradition, making it reliable and long-lasting. It outperforms common POM ball joint and regular metal-to-metal ones. For added strength, the ball joint casing is forged as one solid piece and heat-treated. They come with tower-shaped dust boost and exclusive KSP protective covers to prevent debris and make them last longer. The unique dust boost design is all KSP's. Even though others have copied it. Unlike uncoated iron ball joints prone to rust, KSP's ball joint pins are coated with zinc-nickel alloy, which costs more but longer service life. The ball joint section even has a Greasable zerk for smooth operation even after lots of use. The ball joint angle is increased compared to factory ones, better accommodating the driving requirements of lifted vehicles on various road conditions like streets, trades or rough terrains. And we've got plenty of ball joints in stock for support after purchase. If you need to replace the ball joint alone, no need to buy a whole new control arm. We've got you covered with 1 year of assistance for ball joint usage. Now, the bushings are made of premium quality polyurethane, which handle temperature extremes better than rubber. The groove design helps with lubrication, ultimately improving overall driving feedback and experience. KSP's polyurethane is a cut above the rest Chinese brands, offering better handling performance and less noise. Changing this bushing at home is easy, unlike rubber ones that wear out quickly and need replacement at the repair shop. Just remember, these control arms are designed for lifted trucks, especially those with 2 to 4 inches of lift. If you've got the original wheel and tire setup, keep that in mind. If you run in larger tires like 275 to 185, you may experience the control arms rubbing against the tires when turning fully. But it's uncommon, so don't worry. You can use wheel spacers or grind down the thickness of KSP's control arm a bit to fix it. Since the control arms are forged from solid aluminum, grinding them down slightly wouldn't affect their strength or appearance. If the bushings, ball joints or tubes run into issues during normal use or installation, reach out to us for expert help. Our store has replacement accessories available for purchase if needed.